LSR has been every girl's dream college. And why it wouldn't be when it comes with a lot of perks? Exquisite lawns, concrete faculty, and superb location. So hi everyone, once again welcome back to Inside the U. This is Shagun Malik and here I am today with a review on Lady Shri Ram College. Known for its spectacular placements and ultra-feminist aura, LSR has much more to reveal than the obvious. And today, we are going to dive deep into that aspect. So guys, if you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like the video, make sure you hit the big fat thumbs up. And now, let's start the journey of exploring LSR. So guys, Lady Shri Ram College was established in the year 1956 and it proudly stands at the second spot in the NIRF ranking with a campus area of 5 acres with over 150 faculties and more than 2,000 students. Now, let's just quickly run through the various courses that this institution has to offer. So, it offers an honors degree in English, political science, economics, history, Sanskrit, psychology, sociology, and even in philosophy. It offers 2 degrees in science courses, namely Statistic Honors and Mathematics Honors. Apart from these courses, it also offers BCom Honors and BA program. BA program is one of the highly demanded course in the entire Delhi University and particularly for LSR. Apart from offering these general degrees, like apart from BSc and BA honors, it also offers some professional courses including journalism, elementary education, postgraduate diploma program in conflict and transformation and peace building. Now, talking about the seat metrics, the highest intake is for economics, English, history and political science, which is 106 seats. This is a complete portrayal of the seat metrics. You can pause the video and check them out. Having discussed that, now let's come on to the most effervescent part of the video, cutoffs. In the case of North Campus, one thing was common in all of the colleges, the sky-high cutoffs. But LSR is an extreme example of it. And why am I saying so is because last year, there were 3 courses with 100% cutoffs. These courses were Political Science Honors, Psychology Honors, and even Economics Honors, 100% cutoffs. And even for the courses like BA program, the cutoff, they fluctuate in the range of 98 to 99.25%. So definitely it's going to be a hard nut to crack. And even for the professional courses like BA Honors Journalism, the cutoff was 99.5%. And for BCom Honors, the cutoff was 99.75%. Now let's quickly discuss the fee structure. The fee for 1 year for BCom Honors is rupees 19,760, and for courses like Economics Honors, English Honors and History Honors, the fee for 1 year is 15,730. And if we calculate for your whole undergrad degree, that is for 3 years, it will lie in the range of 45K to 50K. And the fee structure for other courses is also listed here. You can pause the video and check them out. Now, let's discuss about the praiseworthy facilities that this college offers. Number 1, there is a branch of PNB Bank in the campus premises itself. Number 2, there's a counseling cell, which is a great option for the students. There's a library with a great stocks of books. There's a medical room also. There is computer and statistics labs. There's a cafeteria in the campus. There are various magnificent gardens surrounding the campus. A facility of on-campus housing is also available, and there are various bookstores nearby. Now, let's discuss the annual cultural fest of LSR, Tarang. The ravishing fest Tarang is a time to celebrate art, dance, music, drama, photos, and whatnot. You will be thrilled to bits because Tarang has a lot of exciting things to offer to you. Now, let's talk about the alum base of the college. LSR has produced a line of distinguished alumni in various fields, including politics, literature, entertainment, and even sports. Some of the notable alumni of the college happens to be Aung San Suu Kyi, Menka Gandhi, and Gauri Khan. Apart from these faces, every year in the UPSC civil service examinations, you will spot one or two faces in the top 10 coming from LSR. Now let's discuss about the recruiters. Every year, more than 100 recruiters come to the campus and they offer jobs to the candidates in various profiles. In the past year, companies like Deloitte, Samsung, Bank of America, KPMG, Citibank, PwC, and even Microsoft and Google have come to the campus to recruit the students. So guys, now let's discuss the thrilling part of the video, placements. All the major companies come to the campus of LSR to recruit students. Last year, around 100 companies came and they made 110 offers in various profiles. The average package stood at 9.4 LPA and the highest package was 30 lakh per annum, which is worthy of commendation. Now, if we compare LSR with any other North Campus college, LSR stands at a pedestal and the data proves it all. So guys, just an additional information about the societies. There are societies in different realms, including the public speaking society, the music society, but particularly the dance society of LSR. It is one of the best in the entire Delhi University. You will get a lot of exposure if you become a part of the society. So guys, this was all from my side. We looked at the different aspects of the college, including the cutoffs, the seat metrics, the fest, the societies, placements. We have covered everything, but if you still have any doubts left, you can drop them down in the comment section below. I'll address them. Also, to be plugged in with the latest news and updates, make sure you join our Telegram channel. The link is there in the description box. So yeah, once again, this is me, Shagun, signing off for the day. See ya. Bye-bye.